Hello everybody, hello boys and girls, welcome to What's in the Box, a YouTube channel that unboxes, reviews, and assembles toys currently available on the market. Today we're going to open the box of a Lego Duplo Jake's pirate ship Bucky. It's for ages 2 to 5, it comes with 56 pieces, and it's for a preschool building toy. It's the preschool building toy. I have a son that really likes this toy, and usually I have to assemble it over and over again. So today I'm making this video to help him and many other kids to assemble all by themselves this very fun and creative type of toy. So let's open the box and see what's inside. From the box you already can see there's Jake, you can see there's Captain Hook, there's Scully, there are doubloons, there's the treasure chest. So let's go ahead and open this box and start playing with this awesome game. Okay, so this is what's in the box. As you guys can see, there's a ship right there. There's Bucky. There's the base for the ship. The instruction manual. There is the pole for the ship. There is Bucky. There is Jake. There is a Captain Hook. There's a bag. There's another bag. And there's another bag filled with toys and Lego pieces. So let's start opening that. It's a whole lot of Legos. Captain Hook. And there's Jake. Okay, so are you guys ready? First things first, we have to find the instruction booklet, which it's right in here along with Bucky's sail. So we're gonna need this later. I'm gonna set it right there. And right now, this book, it's gonna show us how to build Bucky. So I'm gonna open to the first page and let's see what we're gonna build first. First, we're gonna build the island right in here. So let's start. We're gonna need these 2 blue pieces. We're gonna need the yellow piece. Then we will connect the 2 pieces together. Right there. Now we're gonna need the big yellow piece. It stays right there. There's this yellow piece that will connect the base of the island to this long yellow piece right there. Now we will need this piece that will go right in here. And the light yellow piece that will connect these two pieces together. Right there. So now what we're going to do is add this green piece right here to the side. Actually, I'm sorry, I have to move this yellow piece slightly over. Right there. You see? So it connects right in here. It's one straight line. And then this green piece will go right here. Right there. So now we need to add this piece right in here. The dark green. And on the other side, we need the dark green that has a rounded side. That will go right there. So this is what it should look like so far. We are going to add the other patch of land, the island, by adding the brown piece into the yellow spot right here. And now the light brown Lego piece goes at the base right there. You see? This is what it should look like. So now we're going to flip the page. We're going to almost finish the island. We're gonna add a few more pieces in here, some flowers, and start building the tree trunk. So let's start that. To complete the base of the island, we will need the light green piece that goes right in there, and the navy, I'm sorry, not navy, the gray piece, which is the rock, that will go right there. There you go. And on the rock, usually flowers don't grow on rocks, but in Neverland everything's possible, so we are going to add flowers to this rock right there. And this will be the beginning of the base of the tower. We're gonna add this green piece right there and the rounded off piece right in there. So this is the whole base of the island, and we're going to begin building the palm tree by adding this tree trunk right in here. And there is another one. You need two of these pieces to make a very tall tree. So we just finished this step, and we're gonna flip the page and go on to the next step, which is finalizing Coconut Island. We're gonna add the top of the tree, we're gonna add a coconut and the vine. So let's go ahead and add the palm tree leaves. Let's add a coconut to the top and the vine. And there you go. You have the island together. And this is where Captain Hook is going to live for now. All right. And meanwhile, we're going to move on to Bucky. So here we have Jake and the base of the ship, Bucky. Here we go. We're gonna add the blue pieces. We're gonna have the big blue block that has a space, and it has an open and closed little window. So let's find that. And this is the piece that we need to add right over here. You see? Open and close, and that goes right in the back of Bucky. When you are building Bucky, you have to count from the middle. You have to add this piece to the middle, so you count there's one open space on each side, and that's where you add the blue piece. Now you're going to need two of these guys, the tall light blue piece, and they go on each side. On that open space that I showed you, that's where they go. So this is what it should look like. And also we need the flat light blue piece that will go right in here. And once again, when you're adding this piece, you have to add it in the middle. Count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Add it right in the middle so your ship is nice and balanced. So let's flip the page, and right now we're going to add the red pieces. It's going to be one on each side. These are the red pieces. We're going to add one on each side of the light blue piece, just like that. One side right here, one side right there. And then this red piece right here goes right on the front, which is where we're going to attach the cannon in a little bit. After attaching the red pieces, we're going to attach the yellow pieces. There are two of them, and they're slightly rounded on the side, and they go right in here. A part of it sits on the blue piece, a part of it sits on the red piece. You see? Bucky is coming along just fine. Now we're going to add the cannon, and every ship needs to have very good direction. So here we go. We're gonna make sure the pirate steering the ship will know where to go. You need this blue piece, and you need the brown wheel. That's it. That goes right in there. And now for the blue cannon, as you can see, this has an X, and that's where you attach the cannonball. And this is how it goes. Look, favorite part. This is so much fun and action. So that's the cannonball. Looks like a coconut a little, only that it's blue. This is it, and it goes right in here. I'm gonna remove it one more time and show you. Goes right in there and right on the front of the ship. We're almost done with Bucky. We're gonna add this big brown piece right over the blue window, and we can't forget about the bell. Now that we are finalizing the construction of Bucky, we're gonna add the sail. For the sail, you need the pole that goes right in front of the middle of the ship, right there. And the peg should be facing forward. I'm gonna show you. See, the peg should be facing forward. And now we have two extra poles that we're going to use to attach the sail. For the poles, one has to be facing down, one has to be facing up. If for any reason you forget that, you can always flip it. Just like that. You could always flip it. You see? Just be careful because it comes off when you flip it. But there you go. One should be facing up, one should be facing down, and we're going to add the sail, just like a button. Just like when you're buttoning your jacket, this is how it goes. I'm gonna bring this one slightly closer so you can see how to do it. And you can do it all by yourself. You see? Just like buttoning your jacket or your shirt. Very simple steps. Now, for the top of the ship, we have this red piece that looks almost like a cupcake pan, but it's not. It's the lookout tower, and look who's speaking from the lookout tower. Scully. So we're going to add this lookout tower to the top of Bucky. You see? We also have a shovel that we're going to add to the ship. We have a treasure chest that if you open, you can add the very cool doubloon. You have two more gray pieces and the slightly blue clear block that you can make pretend it's a waterfall. Now we have one more cannonball that I'll leave it right there. And we have a sword for Jake. And these are all the pieces that came inside the box for Lego Duplo, Jake's pirate ship Bucky. And this is the set completely assembled. I hope you guys had fun. Thank you very much for joining us at What's in the Box. And please stay tuned for the next uploads. We're gonna open lots more toy boxes, and we're gonna have many videos showing you how to assemble each one of the sets and how to play with them, and also what's inside each box, just so you know what you're asking your mommy, or just so your mommy knows what they're buying for you. All right, have a great time. Thank you.